Greetings from Test Prep Card. We all know this fact very well that JEE is basically mother of all engineering examination in India, and this is written by 27 lakh students all over the world, including India, every year. Right. Now the thing is that through JEE Main we have got 45,000 seats, and through JEE Advanced we have got 10,500 seats. Right. So altogether 56,000 seats. Right. For these 56,000 seats, 27 lakh student, they are competing for it all over the world. So you can very well understand the matrix of the seats as well as the ratio of the seat as well as the appearing candidates. Right. Now here, the most important thing is that if there are 27 lakh students and there are only 56,000 seats, it means 26,44,000 students, they would not be able to go into these 80 or 83 centrally funded institutions in India. Am I correct? Then what these 26,44,000 students are going to do? You could not crack JEE. Has the world come to an end? Right. Even if you prepared very well, you were a very good student, but you could not do it. Right. So the thing is that, what next? I mean, not in a situation of failure and dilemma, you have to ask this question to yourself, what next? But even to prod yourself in the life, you need to ask this question to yourself, what next? Whether you are a student, whether you are a professional, or at every step of life, you need to know, you need to poke yourself with a question, what next? The earlier it comes to your habit, the better it is. Right. Now here, the $1 million question is, if not JEE, what next? Right. There are various options. And these options are superb as well. Right. The good thing is that in order to crack JEE Main, JEE Advanced, you already have prepared a lot about physics, chemistry and math. And the examination, which I am going to tell you that you have to tackle if you could not get success in JEE, these are also about physics, chemistry and math. Now, the very first institution that comes to mind, the very first examination, it's called BITSAT, Birla Institute of Technology Scholastic Aptitude Test. Here you have to write physics, chemistry, math, some English and some logical reasoning. Right. Very easy. There will be 150 questions. The next is that in India currently, basically there are 27 states. So each state has its own examination. And the good thing is that if you belong to Delhi and if you want to write examination for Maharashtra MST CET, they're not going to stop you. There is a good scope, there are a good number of seats even for those students who do not belong to Maharashtra. Right. So similarly, you can write state level engineering examinations which are more than 25, 26 in number. Right. I can also tell you that you should also be in search for these nuggets which are for all these examinations. For example, do you know that many students who are doing this, who are more interested for studying chemicals or chemistry or chemical engineering, one of the best institutions in India, it's definitely not IITs or NITs. That basically is Department of Chemical Sciences, University of Mumbai. And admission over there, you can get through what? JEE Main only, right? And through separate examination also. So you can also target such institutions, which are like hidden nuggets, right? Now, so BITSAT is first. And after that, there are state level engineering examinations, which are plenty number and there is abundance of seats, right? And you won't believe, for example, if I tell you that only in Gujarat, there are currently more than 190 government engineering colleges, which are great in terms of infrastructure, the faculty, placement and all these things, right? You would be surprised to know. So you need to look beyond JEE even in order to grab these opportunities. After a state level engineering examination, we have got some, autonomous body. I mean, generally we do not talk over here at this podium of Test Prep Card about the private institutions of engineering in India. But of course, I can, tell this with pride that there are many institutions like VIT, VIT is there, KIT is there. Then, there are other institutions which are private and these are autonomous body. And they would also give you very institution. Of course, they are not, you can count them on fingers. I can definitely tell you that there are very good 5 to 6 institutions, right? And then you have got SAT, right? I mean, after doing your grade 12th, if you wish to go abroad, I mean to say US or Canada or Singapore or Hong Kong or Australia, right? In good premium engineering institutions, you need to write SAT 1, SAT General, which is a test of math and English. Of course, most of the Indian students, they are very good at math. They need to brush up their English, right, in a proper way. And even for all these, what I would advise you that come to our online preparation portal. Here at Test Prep Card, there is a complete online preparation section, which is free for students, right? And you can download as many as question papers, lot of study material, which are comprehensive in nature, a lot of worksheets for physics, chemistry, and math. A lot of things are there so that you can create a self-sustained learning system for yourself. And even if you are not able to do JEE, then other paths are already open to you. You can avail that with the help of Test Prep Card. Now, I would request you, because after hearing me, you must have got plenty of questions on your mind. Please put your questions over here in the comment section. Basically, once you put your question over here in the comment section, it helps us, understand what basically is going on the mind of the student and parent or this education fraternity. As for that, we also pick these nuggets, which are very important, and then we try to answer them through this piece of informative videos. So this helps the whole educational fraternity, right? If you have any specific question about this, you can definitely write us to info@testprepcard.com. Thanks a lot.